Hey, what's going on, guys, and welcome back to my channel, Cooking with Chef Monie. You already know what it is, y'all. If you are a new subscriber here, make sure you hit that red subscribe button and also the post notification bell to the left or to the right, just so you know when I'm dropping new content. Hey, y'all, we got the pineapple fried rice, fried scallops, and also fried shrimp bowl on deck. Oh my gosh, the video is self-explanatory at this point. I'ma stop talking. Please enjoy and make sure you give this video a thumbs up, a like, all that love that you give. And yeah, God bless you.